So first things first, apologies for the really scruffy bun look today, and apologies for the camera angle. I know it's not great. Today I am going to share with you my tanning routine. So it has been something that I've been meaning to do for absolutely ages, and I've still never managed to get around to doing it. So I really wanted to share that with you today while I've got a little bit of time on my hands. So this is my skin normally. Everything is pale, you know, not a lot of colour whatsoever. So I do rely on tan. At the end of the day, even if I had been on holiday, I protect my skin from the sun completely. I use Factor 50 on my face, my body, everything, because I am really against sun damage on the skin. I don't want wrinkly skin. I don't want, like, I would rather have a fake tan because I just think it's safer. You can make your tan as deep as you want. There's no burning, there's no damage to your skin involved. So I would much rather get my tan from a bottle anyway. The tan that I use, and the one I'm going to show you today, is my St Tropez, I swear by it, St Tropez Original Bronzing Mousse. I've used this tan for absolutely years and I completely swear by it. It's so natural, so easy to use, so easy to apply, and I probably buy a new one maybe once every 6 weeks because I'm always using it. I'd say twice a week. I'd say I'd use the product twice a week. And then another little product I use, and I need to replace it soon. As you can see, there's not a lot left now, but I did get it at the start of lockdown. I think it was in like March. So if you think how long that has actually lasted, and I use it every week. This is the St Tropez Natural Glowing Skin Bronzing Water Face Mist. It's nice and clear, it doesn't clog your pores, it's completely non-comedogenic, I think it's called, which means it just doesn't block your pores. Your face might break out or whatever. I've certainly experienced that before. This is the perfect product because you will not break out using this product. First application, you'll just have a little bronze glow. If you keep using it day after day, then it will build up and you will get more of a deep tan, but still very natural. So it is an amazing product. But yeah, let's get to it. Apologies again for the no makeup face. Obviously this is like real me, stripped back completely, no tan, no makeup, anything. I'm gonna start now and start doing my tan. So let's bring this down. I've got a bra on. I've got a bra on underneath. So let's start by doing the top of the body. So I will show this bit first. So I've got here, controversial, I'm using the Fake Bake Bronzer. I do like Fake Bake products as well, but for tan, I'm a massive St Tropez lover, but this is a great product because it gets sort of behind your back, all those angles. So I'm going to get the mitt here, I'm going to get my mousse, get the mousse and squeeze 2 pumps on here. And I'm just going to go in. I've got a little bit of eczema on my arm, I don't know if you can see there, so unfortunately even when I moisturise the tan does cling to that little bit of skin, but there's no helping that unfortunately. It's stress induced eczema and I have been a little bit stressed this week, so it just flares up as and when I'm feeling a little bit stressed. Do another 2 pumps for this arm. Already you can see the difference in the colour between my chest and my arms is like quite massive already, and obviously the tan hasn't even developed at this point. So there goes my lid. Let's go in for the chest. Bring that around the neck. Well, I have moisturised all my dry areas, so I've done like with a oil-free moisturiser, so sort of like round the arms here. I did put a bit on my eczema on my right arm. Nice and tanned at the top now. So this will develop into a really lovely golden tan. It's already really nice. I could still go out like this, but it's obviously better when you've waited for it to develop. It obviously looks a lot better. So this is already a really good start for me. I'm more confident straight away. I've got a lovely glow, lovely in bronze. So this is perfect. I love just having a lovely bronze glow. It's just the best. So now I'm going to go in with my mitt again, and it's time to do legs. The next section of my body that I am going to do is my back, so I will just flip around and do that now and show you how I do that using my back tanning mitt. So I will start that now. Okay guys, so the final bit of my tanning routine is going in with my St Tropez Purity Mist. Just give it a shake. And I am all done. I will show everything tomorrow, so after I've had a shower, and you can see the final results. I'm just about to get in the shower and wash off the indicator layer, so I will be back with the results very soon. Right guys, as you can see, I am all tanned and officially ready for the day. I'm loving my glow. I feel so much more myself now I'm tanned. So in this video I used the St Tropez Original Bronzing Mousse and St Tropez Purity Mist. And this is the end result. So I am glowing and I'm super happy as always with the results. So I'm off out now. We're going to the Trafford Centre for the day. But yeah, thought I would share the end result. Hope you all enjoyed this video and I will see you all soon.